to the bus stop now. Oh, it's not open. Gonna take that road up to the falls. Another intersection here. Go to the left. Okay, there's a papaya. Okay, we're here now. Continuing our way to the waterfalls. Okay, we're at the temple now. Ewan ko. Okay, continue our way. It's so hot. So we're trying this way, the one with no waterfalls, to Taymushan Peak. This is the one going to the falls, but we've been there for 2 times and I think there's no water now, so we will try this path. Oh, we're going up now. It says 1.5 hours to reach Taymushan. I don't know if the peak or the route twist. Long way to go. We're still on the trail with no waterfalls. Alay, nauna yung isa kong kasama, nahuhuli yung isa. Ako dito sa gitna. Okay, I think we're approaching an intersection, which is another peak in the map. And it's 533 meters above sea level. So maybe our companion is there waiting. Yay! We're in Kwai Kung Tao. The intersection between the trail we took and the trail from Nang Tung Chai. So that's the one going to Taymushan. Okay, almost at route twist. Got that view. One more view. We're almost at the top. Okay. We're here at the intersection in route twist. Came from Nang Tung Chai, but we didn't go to the falls. So that's one. We will go that way. That's Lead Mine Pass. So we will eat first. Look at that! There's no view.
Walang view? Kami na lang ang view.
Di bale, kami ang view. Look at the view. It's all clouds. Here in route twist, going to Taymushan Peak now.
Yun ba yung sa ano?
Yep.
Ha?
Look at the view here. Oh my God, ang hirap talaga pag kalsada. Buti na lang ganito yung panahon. This peak, kaya nagkakaroon ng problema sa elevation. May huminga. no view. Before you can see Kai Kung Leng here. Kai Kung Leng, Patching Leng. Still this view. Oh, ang foggy. Thank God. Okay, look at the view that we're going there. Kami sa next peak. So okay, we're taking this path to the fire lookout or Muku Toy. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, we're here in Muku Toy, going to Fuyungshan. Okay, going down. That's the way. So that's the way, guys, to Fuyungshan from Muku Toy. Going down from Taimushan. Okay. Going to our last peak. Okay, we're on a flat trail again after that descent from Muku Toy. The trail is nice and the weather is good, even if it's gloomy. This is a new trail for us. Okay, so from the intersection, you see these signs. There's a road there, there's a road here, and there's a road there that will take the middle because it's more near the next week. There's a trail here going to Shingmon Reservoir. Take the road. So we're going to the shop. Okay, you are hearing Fuyungshan. Doon tayo, tingnan natin yun. Oh, may kwan.
Viewing point.
Viewing point. Hey!
Ha? Ay, hindi na ikaw?
Ay!
Pwede rin ikaw gusto mo, pero minsan ito. Mas okay siya na lang para sa buhay niya.
Let's try go. Okay, we're here in Fuyungshan, our third peak for today. And that's Fashan there, the mountain there.
May na-signal.
Okay, so we're done now. We're with our third peak. We're going now to the exit point. And it's stairs again. So guys, look at the stairs, 719. And that's the way to go down the stairs. Okay, going down now. So that's the 700 steps. That's the exit point. Okay, we're here down the 719 steps. So from the stairs, take the path here for the exit, and it's an easier exit. Okay, we're almost done. We're near the bus stop. So we're here now at the exit point in Union Institute. Basta sabi